Hi everyone, welcome to my class. So in today's class I am going to tell you about how you can development a plugin step by step just for the beginner. So before we start, let's see what is WordPress plugin. A WordPress plugin is a standalone set of code that enhance and extend the functionality of WordPress. By using any combination of PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery or any other web programming language, a plugin can add a new feature to any part of your website, including the admin control panel. You can notify the default behavior of WordPress and remove unwanted behavior completely for your WordPress website. The plugin allows you to easily customize and personalize your WordPress to fit your needs or as per your customization need. So let's start with plugin development. First we are going to let's open that my editor. Okay, I have opened this one. Inside that plugin folder, as of now it is only the hello dolly and index.php is it only there. Now I will create a new folder here called hello plugin. So creating a folder is a first step to do that one. Now what I will do, I will inside this plugin I will create a new page index.php, because for any plugin we need to create index.php. So here I have created index.php and now we will edit this page and add some information which will display in here. Now if I go here as of now we will not see any plugin list. As of now we are just seeing hello dolly plugin, not other plugin. So finally what I am doing, I am going to copy paste some of code, plugins. I will download some code. Okay. I am downloading one code. Wait. That all information is available here, but I have also created this. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am just adding, copy pasting this code. So here I have added plugin, my first plugin, and here you can add any of website name. I am adding premtiwari.in, and in description, plugin description, here I have added, it is the very first plugin that I have ever created. Plugin version I have given 1.0 and plugin author I am adding Prem Tiwari, and here you can also add the author website. So I am adding again here premtiwari.in, and here I am adding hello plugin. So many people understand this is a commented code and this is comment which will not work, but not the exactly. In WordPress that command will this commented code will also work. Let's see how it is working. Now earlier, as of now we are seeing just one. Let me refresh this page. I refreshed it. See, now we are started seeing another option as a my first plugin, and the description which I have added, the very first plugin that I have ever created, version I have added by Prem. So see, it is redirecting me to premtiwari.in, and if I click on visit, see, it is redirecting me to premtiwari.in/hello plugin, which I have added here. So now let's activate this. So this plugin is activated, but as of now this plugin will not do anything. Why? Because we have not added anything inside this. Let's add something inside this plugin to test this one. For adding this, I have already copied pasted some of the code. So let's copy paste this code. Okay, here I will add that post comment. Here I am just adding as per the standard function to add thank you message, and here it will return param, and in param I am adding that is type. This one we can remove it, no issue. Okay, so now I am just adding thank you for reading this message in p tag after every content. Let's see, after adding this, let's see is it adding or not. See, here you are seeing thanks for reading. If we do inspect element of this, see, here the p I have added and p it is coming. If I will add here h2, let's see, and saved it. Here we will see that tag will be in s2. So what you will add here, it will add automatically there itself. So this is a simple steps how to create that plugin. So now we will create few more things with the plugin. Let's start doing that plugin file. This one done. Now if you want this page, you can refer this page and you can do lot of things with this one. And here is the explained what is the things. So in header file, if you see the here in wordpress.org, it's written plugin name, it is required. The plugin name of the name of the plugin, it's written everything in details. What is this, what is this, everything it will be written in details. So you can learn from here for better understanding. If you want to be create like activation or deactivation hook for your plugin, that one you can also create. So here all will be like how you can do deactivation hook, how it will work for the plugin activation hook as well. So this is a very uninstall method also. If you want to be add any uninstallation or activation in your plugin, you can do this one as well by using this. And here it is of some best practices. Here are some best kind of avoid naming collision. A naming collision happens when your plugin is using the same name for a variable, function or a class which might be another plugin or theme developer has already used. So the best way to use that one, so your function name, see here I have added my thank you text. So might be some other plugin developer has also there is a chance to use this plugin name. So to avoid this one, we can use as a plugin name as a prefix. So our plugin name is hello plugin. So where here we can add hp dot my thank you text. So hp underscore will be prefix. Let me copy this and paste it here, otherwise it will not work. Let's see, I have just changed that function name, and here it will not work, and here we are saying that one error warning message. Okay, great. Let me refresh this again. Yeah, so now it is started working. So these are the basic practices how you can avoid using naming collision and procedural coding method. Try to avoid using global namespaces, prefix everything. So these are the things where you can read it. Before using any general function name, it's advisable to check the existing implementation. It might be that one will be available, and the best practices is also we can use the function exist also. As example is there, let me check you how we can do this one. See, here as of now we have just added function name and this one. So better way we can also check it for existing, which will avoid to generate that warnings or error for our functions. Let's see how. We can write like this: if function exists, and we will copy paste our function name here. So what it will do, first it will check if this function is available. If it is available, then it will not create, otherwise it will create. So here what I will add, not equal to function exist. Okay, and we will run this one. Let's see it is working or not. Yeah, it is working fine. So if this function will be available, this will avoid to add duplicate, and it will work like this one. So these are the best practices. You can add like this one, function register, and try to add the object oriented programming method. It is also an easier way to tackle the naming collision problem by using the class basis. You can avoid like a class also, just using the class exist, the same like how we did as a function exist check. Here we can go again, organization, folder structure. This is very important things. Let me share about this one, how it will work. Give me a moment. Okay, so a clear folder structure helps you or other working on your plugin keep similar files together. Here is an example of folder structure for reference. So normally if you are keeping a clear and clean folder structure, that will help for other plugin developer as well to understand, or if they are going to be make any changes in your plugin, so those things will help them. So that one will help them to understand how your plugin will work and how you have used that things. So let's see, here is your plugin name and here is plugin name.php. So these are the root directory. You can create here like a uninstall.php, then you can add languages folder if your plugin is language, using multiple language, and if you are using any like a file like a header footer you are adding for design your page, you can add here includes folder. And if your plugin is for the header and footer as well, so there you can add admin folder, or front end, for front end you can add public, and for back end you can add admin. and inside admin you can add JS, CSS folder, images folder, and same you can add for the public, for public as well. So these are the plugin architecture. Now we can talk about the plugin architecture. So the architecture or code organization you choose for your plugin likely depend on size of your plugin. For a small or single purpose plugin that have limited instructions with WordPress core themes or plugins, there will be benefit in engineering complex classes unless you know the plugin is going to be expanded greatly later on. Let's add that conditional loading. So conditional loading will also help for the future. As example, if you are seeing that one, this function is only going to be add for the front end or back end, then you can add is admin. So it will check before including this file like plugin name admin.php. It will not add in front end. It will add in back end only, not on the front end, because here before including this file we have added another check. This page should be admin itself. So these are the best practices of the plugin development. There is a lot of other things also you can explore from here. Lot of functions here: admin URL, site URL, content URL, include URL, upload directory, and for the multi-site if you are going to be learn, these are the multi-site functions names. For the site URL you can get that home URL, get home path URL. For the theme you can use these functions. From plugin you can use this plugin URL, plugin directory URL, plugin URL path, plugin base name. These are the available functions which you can use to develop your plugin or things. Apart from that one, you should also need to be consider your security in your plugin. Please keep in mind that your code may be running across hundreds or thousands or in lakhs, perhaps even million of websites. So security is more utmost important for your plugin. In this like page you can get few of examples how you can secure your plugin. As example, you can check the user capability if you are using for that one, you for the doing that one, and